Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to solve this simple liquid expression that many people fail to solve because 5 divide 5 divide 2, they solve 5 divide 2 multiply 2 by 5 and they cancel out and the answer is 1, which is wrong. Because when you have given same operation repeating multiple times, that is 5 divide 2 divide 5 divide 2, then you have to solve it from left to right. So it's become 5 by 2 divided by 5 divided by 2. Now there are two different things, that is 5 by 2 divide multiply by 5 and 5 by 2 divide by 5. In this case the answer is 25 by 2, but in this case you have to follow KCF rule. Here K stands for keep, C stands for change and F stands for flip. That means keep the left hand, change the symbol from division to multiplication and flip the right hand. Now we can cancel out this. So it becomes 1 by 2 divide by 2. Again we apply the rule. Keep the left hand, change the symbol and flip the right hand. So it's become 1 by 4. So what is the correct answer? 1 by 4, not 1. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.